You already know we gotta do the Glueless test. She's 100% glueless.
Falling, dreaming, talking in your sleep. I know you want to cry all night.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those who are new, my name is Rumill. Today we're doing a wig review with the one and only Nadula Amazon. They sent me over one of their updated honey blonde curly wigs, so let's unbox it. Alrighty guys, so with this wig here, I can already tell that it's different from a previous one that I had because this is their 13x4, which means it is ear to ear. I see they have some tape placements right here on each side. Of course, the lace has been pre-tinted, pre-cut, pre-bleached, pre-everything, so you don't have to worry about messing with that. All you have to do is pretty much just put this wig on and go. This is in the length of 24 inches and it's in the density of 150. I really like this blonde. I don't know if it looks well on me. It's one that I have to adjust. I don't know. I just sometimes feel like blondes don't look that good on me, but I don't know. Let's give it another shot. Let's take a look at inside of the wig. You have two combs on each side of the wig. You also get an adjustable strap right here. And there's also a comb in the very back where the nape area is. So here is a better look of what the wig looks like inside. And like I said, this is 24 inches. I do like how full this wig is and how I'm able to run my fingers through it. As far as the scent, I can tell that it's already been disinfected. I'm not smelling anything. Before I try her on, I'm going to fix this strap right here. And as far as my fro, how I'm going to be wearing my hair under my wig, I like to just get my hair as flat as possible, and then I go in with two wig caps. I like the black ones. I just feel like, I don't know, you just can't see them underneath the wig, so that's why I have it. I like the fit of this wig. I feel like it fits perfectly, like around my ears. I like how this looks on me. It's, I don't know, something about blonde, but I really wanted to give this wig another shot. So let's unpeel this tape right here. Now that we got the tape on, you guys, let's go in with this tinted lace mousse. I like to switch up. I like to switch up between this and powder. So there's really no right or wrong one. I just like to apply it to my finger and then I rub it in to my desired liking. And around the tape areas here, I'm gonna go in with my Ruby Kisses powder foundation, and I'm just gonna rub it on in. Now what we're gonna do is put on our headband, and we're gonna let what we just did sit underneath the band. I do want to show you all what I'm going to be doing to my hair before I speed up the video. After I brush it, I'm going to go in with some water, and then I'm also going to go in with this Lotta body mousse. I love this stuff. I pretty much use it all the time, especially on my extensions, and it gets the job done.
Soundstripe. Soundstripe. Soundstripe.
The hair has been styled. Let's go ahead and use this diffuser here. I'm so excited.
Soundstripe. 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 Soundstripe.
Hey you guys, I am back. The hair is around maybe 85% dry. And I just want to come on camera and show you all what the wig looks like on me. I'm 5 foot and this wig is 24 inches. So this is what it looks like on me. I don't want to disturb the curls too much, but if I pull it down, it does seem that it comes right at the top of my butt. So
Soundstripe. Soundstripe. Soundstripe.
you guys, I love this hair. It turned out so cute. With this wig, I do want to add some layers into it. So I'm gonna start off here in the front. I'm just gonna lightly frame my face and lightly trim the front. I'm not gonna do too much because I don't really know what I'm doing, but I would like just a little bit of like a layered look. So I'm just gonna do the front half.
Soundstripe. 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 Soundstripe.
Okay, I really love everything about this wig, especially now that I kind of like trimmed it and framed it to my face. It looks really good on brown skin. You already know we gotta do the Glueless test. She's 100% glueless. I love that the wig smells good. I love that it's still soft and manageable. And honestly, the more it dries, the bigger it gets. And I just love how full it's getting. So Nadula, Amazon, thank you so much for sending over this wig. You guys, I will have everything about this wig linked in the description box. If you haven't already, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.